the NPV function in Excel allows us to look at these cash flows and determine what their value is. So just in terms of components you'll need obviously the model with our cash flows, a period 0 and our various periods, and a discount rate. Now the one problem with NPV is if we go here and we find NPV, you'll see it asks for the rate, so that's easy enough. I'm going to point here. It then asks for the values, but it's very important to understand. It's saying there's a whole bunch of values you can choose. Very important, and must be equally spaced in time. So these must all be consistent. So you'll see there's a year between each, and it's occurring at the end of each period. So you must be very careful when we're running an NPV using this function. We cannot do that. Because remember, this is period 0. It's happening at the beginning of the period. So it must be end of period. So if I highlight that, when I say OK, it gives me a number. But that's not actually the NPV because we haven't taken this into account. So when using the NPV function, similar to what we've done here, we're going to have to say what happened initially, and so the actual NPV are these two items added together. Just to show you what would happen if we did make that mistake, so we're going to do an NPV. The rate's the 30%. If we accidentally do include that first reference, so when I say OK, you'll see it gives us a different number. And this is an incorrect number because the way NPV works is that the first thing it sees is at the end of the first period. So it assumes that's not actually happening now. It's happening at the end of period 1. This then effectively is now happening at the end of period 2, 3, etc. So everything is 1 year out.